Unravel Travel is a world within a world where creativity collides with culture. After immersing in the tropical vibes of Goa, it was time to take things higher. The beautiful valley of Tirthan was calling us to make the most of summers. And you know how they say, when the mountains are calling, you must go.
Valley of endless green terrain, mountains bigger than our goals, the waterfall we never made it to, the river that we always made it to, smiling faces, furry dogs, local streets, the never-ending meadows, workshops that made us think, roads that let us daydream, and stories that made us laugh. There's so much to this little piece of heaven in Himachal that even words wouldn't do enough justice. And between all the sunny days and starry nights, there we were, 24 strangers sharing moments as if we were always meant to. So hop on this crazy adventure with us because things are about to get sunny.
I saw a glimpse of coloring. It knocked me off my feet. I thought I saw a spark in your eyes. Faces come out of the rain, ignoring the sea. I know we can't hold on, make it all worthwhile. It's the second round through a long defile. Here we are, where fire meets the cold. I'll let you leave, but please come back, 'cause I'll miss
You know how they say, you go to your happy place while you meditate. But what do you do when you meditate in your happy place? It becomes a core memory.
I put all the way aside. I know we can't hold on, make it all worthwhile.
We went on a clean drive and realized that climate change is real. The workshop taught us how little it takes to be a responsible traveler. We cleared the entire trail and collected tons of garbage on the way. It was a long day. But at the end, the happiness of making a difference was the only thing that mattered.
The photography workshop made us feel so much more closer to the locals. We spent hours in capturing the streets and listening to the stories. We learned that taking pictures isn't just about clicking, but it's actually about capturing the moment in its true essence.
Preserving Ethnic Identities workshop gave us an insight about how changing times can affect an entire community. Mountains are a means of vacation for us, but they're also home to a lot of other people. And just the awareness of this fact was such a big eye-opener. Every individual came together from different walks of life and blended with each other so effortlessly, it was almost surreal to watch. At times, you need to give the control of your life to universe. It will definitely find a way of surprising you. It will take you to places that you never imagined yourself in. It will bring you close to people who will feel like home. And it will also give you the answers to questions you did not even know you needed. That's what Unravel Travel is all about. We're going to take you to places along with us. And the next one is going to be much more higher. So stay tuned for more, because there will be more.